Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel and happy Easter to each and every one of you. Today I am unboxing the new Blendbunny Cosmetics Bare Cheeks palette and 2 lip oils. They just launched on the 7th and mine got here on it actually got in the house on the 8th. So we're going to just do a quick little blush moment. We're going to run some of this through the eyelid and do just a simple little look for Easter. I don't feel like getting really dressed up. So let's get into this unboxing. So guys, I went ahead and tried this lip oil on the 8th, and I put this lip oil on today, which you can see it has just a flush of color, just barely. But I ordered the darker blush palette on launch day, and I also ordered 2 more lip oils. So I ordered one that is dark, and this one is just a clear lip oil. And I'll tell you what, you can see where my lips were chapped. When I put this on last night, when I got up this morning, my lips felt new. So these are really good. And this is the blush palette, Bare Cheeks. Don't sleep on this palette, guys. It is even prettier in person. This is the Bare Cheeks palette. It is gorgeous. Look at those colors. I mean, oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. And today I'm going to use this color, this color, this color, and maybe that color, just to do a pop of color in the eyelid and put some on my cheeks, and that's going to be it for the day. So let's jump in to this review. So I hope everybody's been doing good. I cooked all day yesterday. Was in the kitchen mostly all day, and I went to bed and got up again this morning, took my shower, and going over to see the grandbabies. Okay, I'm going to go in with the Clean Canvas Eye Base by Gerard Cosmetics, and we're going to put that on the eyelids. Love these, the brushes, the end of the brush, I love that. Blendbunny always does such an amazing job on her launches. And I had to have that second blush palette. It was just too pretty. And I heard they blend out good on the eyes too, so you can use them as eyeshadow. I haven't tried them yet, but I know if they are anything Blendbunny, Blendbunny does an amazing job on her formula. So I was gonna wear a dress this morning, but then I was like, where we're gonna be at is gonna be kind of cool. It's on a covered porch, so I'm just gonna wear some shorts and a top. We are going to start out with this palette right here. I'm going to swatch them. Okay, so these are the colors. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna sweep this purple color as my transition. Simple makeup today, guys. I don't want to spend all day on my makeup. So I'm going to take the Blendbunny B5 brush, and I'm just going to put that through my crease, my transition. that laid down and blended out beautifully. Blendbunny's such a rock star, guys. It's E29 and just kind of run that through the crease. Okay, now I'm going to take my Rose and Ben E27 and I'm going to go into this dark purple. And it does have a mirror. I'm going to dip back into that light purple. We're just going to help blend this darker purple out. I'm going to take my E29 and just blend all over. Then I'm going to take the light pink and I'm going to put that in my on my mobile lid. Now I'm going to go over and catch up the other eye and I'll be right back. Put just a pinch of this melon color in the corner right here and I'm going to blend that out with my E28. Give it a little bit more oomph. Just a dot of melon. That melon color. It's called Power Play. I'll go in with my cookie, my Benefit cookie. Just touch it in the inner corner. I'm going to also grab my Dollhouse palette and I'm going to reach into this Undress just to put another light transition above that purple, just to kind of blend the edges, just the edges of that out. Quick wing, so I'll do that and I'll be right back. Okay, I put a little wing on each end and I think that's it besides for the mascara. That's all I'm going to put on my eyes. And I'm just going to take whatever's on the pencil and just rub it out right here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So here's the eye look. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. It's so pretty. This palette is gorgeous. Now we're going to put some blush on the cheeks. And I think I want to stay in these three right here. So I'm just gonna mix those three together and just tap it on the face. That is beautiful. So the light pink kind of goes in between the other two. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, and so now I'm going to go into this light tan just to go around the corners of that. I've never had a tan blush like that. That brown. And we're going to just kind of go the ends like that. And I'm going to put a highlighter in the inner corner or the brow bone. the cookie highlighter. It's like a light peach, but it also looks like a real pretty, between a light peach and a champagne. So that's pretty, yeah. This looks airbrushed. That's how nice it is. Perfect. Perfect. This is such a beautiful eye look. Melrose Place. And I'm gonna put that on my lip. I'm gonna go in with my About Face pink lipstick. Just put one coat on, just for the middle. And then I'll use my lip oil all day when it runs out. Which it lasted me about 3 or 4 hours before I went to bed the night that I used it last night. It was still on there. It just wasn't like, it stayed on quite a bit, and I didn't do a whole lot. This lip oil today, it is so gorgeous. I can't wait till the others get here. And I love this doe foot applicator. That is just, it fits perfectly on the lip. So good, Blendbunny. Every single time you slay, girl, slay. I'm so proud of you. I love all my Blendbunny cosmetics, makeup, everything she's came out with. I have absolutely loved. So let me know, guys, did you pick up your Blendbunny bear? And I will put a picture of the Juicy Cheeks up on the screen here. And did you get either palette or lip oils? These lip oils are phenomenal, guys. I really like them. Really tried a bunch of lip oils, but these are really good. They feel really beautiful on. The packaging is beautiful, guys. I mean, it's simple, but it's got a touch of, you know, it's beautiful. I love the lace. Yeah, these performed amazing. Amazing. I can't complain. I can't wait to use this inside of the palette right here, these three. But yeah, these were perfect. And I love this tan, and I love this copper. I love all these colors. I just can't wait to get the second one in. So if you would like to purchase something from Blendbunny Cosmetics, my code is BelindaMua, and that saves you 10% off of Blendbunny Cosmetics. If you would like to purchase anything from Gerard Cosmetics, my code is BelindaMua, and that will give you 30% off as long as there's not a sale going on. So for those two, I will leave the links down in the description. I hope all of you have a blessed and such a happy Easter. Enjoy it with your family, and I will see you guys this week with another video. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and we will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.